Hey everybody, welcome back to the Jewelry Spot. Alright, this is my collaboration video for the month. Okay, this is Jewelry Making Fun Collab. This is sponsored by Deb Huck, and many makers get together and they create things based on their different parameters. And so this month, it's April. It's my choice of what to make. And then there are two options. I can try a technique that's new to me or use the oldest items in my stash. And so I chose the My Choice option. And I'm going to go ahead and get started. I've made a variation of different disc beads, like disc shaped beads. So these are little dangly earrings that have a small disc at the bottom, and then little polymer clay beads. Those are also kind of disc beads, I guess. You know, they have the hole in the middle, and they're smaller. They're not too long, just little dangles. And then I like those so much. These were the first ones that I made. I like those so much that I made longer ones, just different variations of that same earring, same disc beads, and I've got some daisy spacer beads and some silver beads there, and I made this part longer. The disc polymer discs are longer. I used more of those, so I thought those turned out nicely. And then I have some more that have a little disc swirly bead at the bottom. I've made lots of earrings with this bead this season. I like it a lot. Again, a little silver bead at the bottom, and then the disc beads, little daisy spacer beads on both ends. So I thought, since I've already got the little rainbow color, and I've got that here, and I've also got different colors, so I thought this is springtime now. I'd make something nice and bright. So I think I'm gonna go for this nice orange color here, this bright color, and I'm gonna make probably this one that'll be kind of long, but just one color, solid color, and see how that looks, because I've got the other like rainbow colors there. So I'm gonna get started. So in this challenge, it was our choice. It was like make something of your choice, and so that's what I'm gonna do. And I like to keep these together because they go all over the place. So that's why I didn't cut it yet. And excuse me. Okay, so I just put the my head pin there, and then that was so easy, and that's how come I just kind of keep them on the strand, because they'll go everywhere if not. So I think that's long enough. I think that's really cute. Put my bead there. And then a nice little bead at the top. And I have some of the larger daisy spacer beads, and this one is a smaller one. It's a small bead like that one. So that's what it's looking like so far. Okay, so I'm going to cut off, just kind of doing this by side, and then I'll make my loop. Cut that piece with my flush cutters. I'll take my needle nose pliers and make a loop. Okay, and now I need to make my last one. I have my silver bead at the bottom, then my disc bead, my clay beads, think I need a few more there. Uh-oh, that's how come. I like to keep those on the strand. That's a couple too many. Okay, I'll put my, forgot the spacer bead there. My daisy spacer bead goes here, the little dainty one. I'll make my loop, and then I need my ear wires, and then that'll be about it. Okay, so here's what I have so far. And I'm going to add my ear wires. And I really like the colors. That's what makes me happy about these. They have really nice colors. Of course, those disc beads, the clay beads, they come in so many different colors. I've seen many different earrings and necklaces, like beachy type earrings and things with these beads, and I just think it's so cute. I made a hoop earring last summer with these same beads. I have to link that with this video. Okay, and so this is what we have so far. And that is going to be my video for my collaboration. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you like my little clay beads, and I hope you like this variation of that same earring with the spiral earrings. And until next time, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.